Hi to everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss about multiplication of function. So let r of x is equal to 3x, s of x is equal to 2x minus 3, v of x is equal to 2x plus 5, and w of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Example number 1, r times w of x. So it means that you're going to multiply r function times the w function. Okay, so what is r function? That is 3x times the w function x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so we're going to apply distributive property. So 3x times x squared, that is 3 times x cubed. Kapag nagmumultiply ka ng variable, i-add mo yung exponent. So ang exponent nito ay 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3x times 2x, 3 times 2, that is 6. So sa exponent, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So magiging x squared. 3x times negative 3, that is 3 times 3, negative 9x. So this is now the product of r times w of x. Next, number 2, v times s of x. Example number 2, v times s of x. So we're going to take the product of v function and the s function. So the v function is 2x plus 5 times the s function 2x minus 3. Okay? So this is a product of binomial by binomial. So kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng binomial by binomial, pwede natin i-apply yung tinatawag na FOIL method. Ang FOIL method ay multiplying first term by first term. So that is first term by first term 4x squared. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x, x is squared. Next, FOIL O, outer term. 2x times negative 3. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Okay? And then, inner term. 5 times 2x, that is positive 10x. And then, the last term, 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15. So, kung isi-simplify natin to, 4x squared, wala siyang kasimilar term. So, kopyahin lang natin. Negative 6x plus 10x, parehas sila ng variable na x. So, pwede natin silang i-combine. Negative 6 plus 10 ay magiging positive 4x. Bakit positive? You need to subtract. Magkaiba sila ng sign. So, 10 minus 6 is 4 minus 15. So, copy the constant, 15. So, this is now the product of v function and s function. Okay, next, number 3. S times w of x. So, s function times the w function. Ang s function natin ay ito, 2x minus 3. Times yung w function natin, that is x squared plus 2x minus 3. X squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay. So, paano to? Isa-isahin natin itong 2x at negative 3. So, itong 2x, ito muna ang i-distribute natin dito sa trinomial. Kasi binomial by trinomial. Pero kapag isa-solve natin, itong 2x monomial muna ang i-distribute natin. So, 2x times x squared, that is 2x cubed. Naging cube kasi kapag nag-multiply ka ng variable, i-add yung exponent. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2x times 2x, nagiging 4 x squared. Kasi 2 times 2, 4. X times x, add the exponent, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2x times negative 3, magiging negative 6x. Negative 3 naman. Negative 3 times x squared, that is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 plus 2x, negative 3 times 2x, magiging negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3, magiging positive 9. Okay? Then combine similar terms. Si 2x cubed, wala siyang kasimilar kasi wala nang ibang x is cubed. So, kopyahin lang na x is cubed. 4x squared meron. Kasimilar siya kay negative 3x squared. Parehas silang x squared. So, ang gagawin natin sa coefficient, 4 minus 3, that is 1. X squared na lang. 1, invisible yung 1, copy the variable x squared. Negative 6x minus 6x, that is negative 12x. Parehas sila ng sign, i-add nyo yan, copy the sign. Negative 6 minus 6, negative 12x. Copy the variable. Similar sila, no? Kasi parehas sila ng variable na x lang. Tapos yung constant, wala na ibang constant, 9 lang. Copy 9. So ito na ang magiging product ng S function at W function. So that's the way how are you going to find the product of function. So that is multiplication of function.